Our story begins billions of years ago when Earth itself was still forming. The young planet was a violent world filled with fire and molten lava. Massive oceans slowly formed across the surface of the planet. At that time, there were no forests, animals, or humans. Yet deep within the oceans, something extraordinary was beginning. Tiny molecules slowly formed the first building blocks of life. Over millions of years, simple organisms appeared in the ancient seas. Life slowly evolved beneath the endless oceans. Strange creatures explored the deep waters. Gigantic fish ruled the ancient seas. Plants eventually spread across the land. The empty continents slowly turned green. Then began the Age of Giants. Dinosaurs dominated the planet for millions of years. New species of animals began evolving again. The impact changed life on this planet forever. A massive asteroid struck the Earth. Forests returned and ecosystems rebuilt themselves. They ruled vast lands and ecosystems. But their reign would not last forever. After the extinction event, Earth slowly recovered. Fire brought warmth and protection. Among them were early primates. Early humans wandered across the African savanna. Inside caves, humans painted their stories. Human cooperation improved survival. Humans learned how to grow crops. Small villages became towns. These creatures lived high in the trees. They followed animals and seasonal plants. Trade connected different communities. Groups migrated across continents. They crossed mountains and deserts.
The world is so vast and full of
Humans
mysteries.
began exploring new
We have
lands.
traveled far to reach this
Small
place
mammals
together.
spread across the land.
The stars have shifted
They
since the
slowly
last
began
moon,
walking
and
upright.
the old spirits tell
Small
us the
tribes
paths
formed
through the
strong
deep
social
forest will
bonds.
soon be closed by the coming cold.
Food production increased
The stars
dramatically.
watched over us when the great hunt
Eventually, a
began.
discovery
We
changed
remember those
everything.
ancient nights and the
One of the
wisdom
greatest
passed down
discoveries
through the
was
smoke
fire.
hole.
Human intelligence continued to grow. Civilization was beginning to emerge.
Why did the
Agriculture
fire go to
allowed
school?
people to settle.
Because it
Animals
wanted
were
to get a little
domesticated for
brighter.
farming. Villages formed near rivers. Creativity became part of human culture. Stone tools made hunting more efficient. The first great cities appeared in Mesopotamia, the distant ancestors of modern humans. They hunted animals and gathered plants. Caves provided shelter from the harsh world. Human populations began growing. Humans slowly learned survival skills. These artworks showed their daily lives. These were the first hominids. Over time, some adapted to life on the ground. For thousands of years, humans lived as hunters. It also allowed humans to cook food. Life was dangerous and unpredictable. Writing systems recorded information. Massive temples rose above the cities. Governments created laws. The Indus Valley civilization flourished. Armies marched across continents. Their cities were carefully planned. Thousands of workers built them. Advanced drainage systems were built. Powerful pharaohs ruled the kingdom. Monumental temples were built. Egyptian farmers relied on the Nile floods. Religion shaped Egyptian society. Trade connected distant regions. One famous battle happened at Kadesh.
The soil is ready.
Egyptian civilization lasted thousands of years.
By
These
the hills.
structures honored mighty rulers. Along the Nile River, another civilization rose. But the world beyond Egypt changed.
The earth is ready.
War chariots thundered across fields. Ancient Egypt began to flourish.
The sun is rising.
Powerful empires competed for land.
Bountiful harvest.
Let us
The
bring it
pyramids
in.
became eternal symbols. The greatest monuments were the pyramids. Ancient warriors fought fierce battles. Both empires signed a peace treaty. Their ideas shaped generations. The battle was intense and chaotic. It became the first recorded treaty. Thousands of soldiers clashed. Meanwhile, Greece became a center of knowledge.
3 is not enough.
Rome became a powerful republic.
I will give you 5.
Powerful kingdoms rose in China.
Fine linen cloth for 3 measures of your grain.
Industry
3
transformed
measures is too much.
economies.
I will give you 2.
Their legacy shaped Western civilization.
That is not enough barley. I need more.
Egyptian forces faced the Hittites.
sweetest dates by the river.
Greek thinkers studied science and philosophy. Aqueducts carried water to cities.
The harvest tribute must
Rome
reach
was
the
founded
temple
according to
stores by
legend.
the next moon. Let it be inscribed
Thousands
that
of
none
soldiers
may defy
clashed.
this order.
Look at these tools, sharp and
Meanwhile,
balanced.
Greece became
I
a
offer
center
this
of
jug
knowledge.
for the largest blade.
Add another
Rome
woven
became a
blanket, and
powerful
it is a
republic.
deal.
Powerful kingdoms rose in China. Industry transformed economies. Their legacy shaped Western civilization. Egyptian forces faced the Hittites. Greek thinkers studied science and philosophy. Aqueducts carried water to cities. Rome was founded according to legend. Roman law shaped future societies. Chinese philosophers explored wisdom. Roman armies conquered vast lands. Civilizations continued expanding.
Make way. These pots are heavy.
Greek warriors
Be
defended
careful not to drop
city-states.
them.
Human civilization continued evolving.
Pull the stone
Eventually,
up
the
the
Roman
ramp
Empire
now.
declined.
The gods demand this
The small
pyramid
settlement
rise to the
expanded
sky.
rapidly.
Move the stones faster.
Explorers crossed oceans
Hail,
discovering
great
new
horse,
lands.
King of Upper and Lower Egypt.
On the Italian
May your
peninsula, a
reign
new
be
power
eternal.
rose. Satellites began orbiting Earth. Today, humanity lives in a global civilization. Science revealed the secrets of nature. And the story of human civilization continues. Communication connected continents.
For Amun-Ra. Charge! Charge! Move faster! Push forward! Break their lines!
We must secure the passes before the main army arrives.
Charge for glory!
The terms are agreed. It is done.
Yet its influence endured for centuries.
Hold the line! Push forward! Hold the line! Push forward!
And lift. Together now.
Technology accelerated progress.
Secure the western side. Heave. Hold it steady.
Bring that timber up here now. Push it up there.
Careful now. Steady.
Humans eventually reached
Hold it
space.
tight.
Engineers built roads across the empire.